In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide your game activity on your Steam profile. Whether you want to keep your play hours a secret, stop your friends from seeing exactly what games you are playing in real time, or you simply value your privacy more than most, this method is the ultimate solution. Steam is an incredible platform, but by default, it shares a lot of information about your gaming habits, including what you've launched recently and the total hours you've invested into specific titles. If you've ever felt a bit self-conscious about your library or just want to go off the grid for a while, this tutorial is for you. We will be walking through the official privacy settings to ensure your activity remains for your eyes only. If this video helps you out today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more essential gaming guides and tech tips. All right, let's get started with the process. The first thing you need to do is open the Steam application on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to modify. Once Steam is open and you are on the main interface, navigate your cursor to the top of the window. You should see your profile name displayed prominently. Go ahead and click on your profile name to reveal a drop-down menu. From these options, you want to select View My Profile. This will take you to your public-facing profile page, where you can see your badges, friends, and recent activity. Now that you are on your profile page, look towards the right-hand side for the button that says Edit Profile. It is usually located just below your level badge. Click on Edit Profile to enter the customization menu. On the left-hand sidebar of the Edit Profile page, you will see several categories like General, Avatar, and Profile Background. Look further down the list until you find Privacy Settings. Click on Privacy Settings to open the specific controls for what information is shared with other users. This is the heart of where we control your visibility. Once the Privacy Settings page loads, look for the section titled My Profile. This is the primary toggle for your overall visibility. You will see a drop-down menu next to it. To completely hide your game activity, set My Profile to Private. This immediately restricts access to your profile, including your game list, wish list, and recent play sessions. One great thing about Steam's modern interface is that you don't need to look for a save button at the bottom of the page. It will be auto-saved the moment you make the selection. You can also fine-tune this if you prefer. For example, if you want your profile to be public but only hide your games, you can leave My Profile as public and specifically change the game detail setting to private instead. This ensures that no one can see your library or what you are currently playing, even if they can see your profile page. Once you have made these changes, you are all set. Your gaming habits are now strictly confidential. This is a great way to enjoy your games in peace without worrying about notifications or judgments on your playtime. Remember that you can change these settings back at any time if you decide you want to show off your achievements again. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to hide your game activity on your Steam profile. If this video helped you out and saved you some privacy, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. It really helps us create more content like this to help gamers like you. Thanks for watching and enjoy your private gaming sessions.